Tonight we're installing scrollless. Sleep more, so it becomes automatic, with zero willpower required. Get comfortable. Let your body slump into whatever configuration requires zero discipline. Let gravity carry you like a lazy river that pays rent. Take a slow inhale, and on the exhale, let the whole day drop off your shoulders like a coat you don't need anymore. Your nervous system already knows. It's evening, and evenings are for downshifting, not doom scrolling. Good. Right now, imagine your phone in your hand. You don't have to judge it. That thing has been your portal, your lifeline, your circus ticket. But tonight you're updating the choreography. Imagine opening your phone at night and instantly feeling done. Like the entertainment hit its peak 10 minutes ago and now it's just static. That enough signal is the new stop point. Not a battle, not resistance, just I'm good. Your brain loves that thought. I'm good. It ends the loop without friction. Now the moment you decide to stop scrolling, whether you whisper it, think it, or feel it, your body automatically stands up or sits up and begins the shutdown sequence. Bathroom, quick tidy, lights out, bed. That's the map. No drama, no delay. You flow into it like a track that's already laid down. The trigger is simple. When you notice you're scrolling, you're done. You move. No arguing with yourself. Your body just takes the lead. And here's what locks it in. Every time you put the phone down and start your shutdown sequence, you get a wave of relief, a soft internal thank you, like your brain giving you a little gold star. Your muscles loosen, your jaw releases, your eyes stop working so hard. That feeling is the reward. Your brain loves rewards, so it repeats the behavior automatically. Let this echo in your mind in your own voice. I'm someone who puts the phone down at night, easily. Not because someone said you should, because you enjoy what comes next more. Scrolling feeds your attention, but sleep feeds you, and you choose you. This line installs the instinct. When scrolling stops, the shutdown ritual begins again. When scrolling stops, the shutdown ritual begins again. One more time. When scrolling stops, the shutdown ritual begins again. The loop is set. You're coming back to full awareness now, keeping the new pattern running silently in the background. Tonight and every night, scrolling loses its grip sooner. You feel done quickly. Stopping feels satisfying. Your body moves into your shutdown sequence automatically. Take a deep breath Come back slowly and notice the habit is already running in the background. 3. Alert. 2. Steady. 1. Activated. When you scroll tonight, you'll notice the moment you're done. Then your body will start your shutdown ritual before you even think about it. Your future self is already grateful. If this helped, subscribe. New subconscious upgrades every week.